Join me while I solo camp for the first time. I was travelling up to Scotland to visit my friends, and instead of sleeping on their floor for an extra night, I thought, why not tick off solo camping from my bucket list? So here I am at Grey Mare's Tail Nature Reserve to do just that. The first thing you come across is the Giant's Grave. It's a prehistoric bank and ditch that was constructed around 2,000 years ago and apparently isn't a burial ground, but archaeologists have theories that the site was used as a defensive structure or for pagan ceremonies. But this isn't where we're camping tonight, and we need to begin climbing alongside the Grey Mare's tail, which is around 200 feet. Here's the first proper view of the Grey Mare's Tail. It's the 60-metre high waterfall that's nestled in this hanging valley. The fall is the result of the tailburn flowing from Loch Skeen.
I'm only this far up and I'm already dripping in sweat. Oh. Just one foot in front of the other. Can't lie to you, that spot over there looks almost perfect to pitch a tent. I feel like I should keep walking towards the loch. And then there's a bar lamb barring at me. Hello? Yes, hello. Hi. Right, try to keep going. Literally not even 10 steps in front. Gorgeous. And now that I'm a little bit higher, it looks even more inviting for a tent. Imagine having that as your wake up in the morning. I'm really, really tempted. I am just going to push on over this peak of the waterfall though, because I have a feeling. But if not, it's a good plan B. Oh wow. I'm so glad I carried on. It's a tiny bit boggy over there, so I think I'm going to try and find another place to camp. You see that hole? Oh, my entire boot covered. We persevere. Thank God it doesn't smell though. This is where I've decided to base up for the night. It's in a little valley area, and I don't know if it's because of my inexperience of solo camping or just camping in general, but everywhere around here is boggy. And it might be because we're literally on the loch. So this was relatively the only place I could find that wasn't sodden. And I did pass some people along the path, and they did say, good luck. And I think that might be because it's boggy as hell here. But no matter, we're here to enjoy ourselves. And also, listen. Silence. It's great.
So it's time to put the tent up before the sun sets, and this is a brand new tent. I've never put it up before.
The instructions say this tent takes 5 minutes to put up. So, I guess that we'll find out. I've got tiny poles, and I've got absolutely no idea where they go. It definitely didn't take 5 minutes, that was more like 25. But I guess it's the first time I've done it, so I'll get better. It's definitely got a lot nippy. I've definitely made a little bit of a mistake putting my entrance on the slope, but I'm too lazy to change it now. For tea, I've got some easy eats. I've got a chicken and chorizo smashed sandwich because it's been smashed around in my bag, and 2 boiled eggs and some water. I've definitely had worse views when I've eaten a sandwich. This isn't one of them.
So this is the view from inside the tent?
It's definitely cozy in here.
Guys, good morning, but also, what? I was meant to take some nighttime content, and I think I laid my head down just for a brief moment. I passed out.
Yeah, that was definitely a little bit silly of me, but driving for 4 hours and then climbing up to the loch must have knackered me out. But it was all worth it for this gorgeous, gorgeous morning.
Even though it's my first time wild camping, I know the rules. Pitch late, leave early, and leave no trace. So it's already light. I guess I best take this down. Nice. You can tell I just passed out last night because I had 2 bottles of beer I wanted to drink. I didn't even open one of them. I guess I can just save them for another time. Sick. And if you hadn't watched my video, you'd never know I was here.
So thank you for watching. I'm absolutely grateful for every single one of you that have made it this far. This was all shot on my Sony a7 IV at the Grey Mare's Tail Nature Reserve in May of 2024. And if you want to stick around for some extra bonus content, I'd be more than happy to have you.
Grey Mare's Nature Reserve, you've been great. Goats. I wonder if they'll let me pass or headbutt me off. Morning. I mean, you don't need to run like that, mate. Come on, you'll cause a stampede. Chill. Chill. Thank you. I was a little bit spooked there, can't lie.